Hi friends! Oh, sorry, Thor. Hi friends, my name is Evelyn and welcome to my channel. If you're curious as to how I created this look right here for a night out, then just keep watching. Why did you yawn? Hi friends! So I'm gonna get ready to go out. I haven't seen my friends in a long time and they've come up from SoCal, so I figured I'll just go out and see them, even though I really didn't want to go out tonight. I wanted to just be at home in my PJs, comfy, you know, like getting productive in my bullet journal, but I haven't seen them in a long time, so I figured I'll spend time with them. But this is how I get ready. I'm gonna do this pretty quickly. Okay, so I have a beauty blender from Real Techniques, and then I have my Becca Focus by Becca's 24-Hour Foundation. The coverage is actually pretty good in this one. My face gets really red, but it covers that up pretty well. Okay, put it on my hand. I feel rushed because I have an hour, but really an hour is a really long time, so I shouldn't feel rushed. Using Lancome's translucent powder. Bless you. Go in with the Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit, and then I'm going, it's in the shade 4.5 by the way, and I'm going to clean up my brows with the spoolie and then draw in my brows. Go in with Benefit Hula, and then I'm just going to, I guess, contour my face today. I'm using a highlighter from Becca, and it's Rose Quartz. I'm not gonna put on blush today because I get red pretty easily and I'm going to a bar, so it's gonna be really hot in there and I'm gonna get red, so no blush today. I'm gonna use Urban Decay's eyeshadow primer potion to prime my eyelids. So we're gonna go in with the Tartlet in Bloom from Tarte. I really love this palette. It's so nice. So first I'm gonna go in with Smarty Pants, which is this shade right here. I'm gonna put that all over my lid. And then I'm gonna go in with Jet Setter, which is this shade right here. And I'm gonna put that on like the other, like the half of my eye. It's so much easier for monolids to put on eyeshadow when you go into the crease that you would have had. So like right here, if you like push a brush into your eyeball and into your eyelid, there's a crease that forms. So I always put darker shades using that crease. The next shade, we're going to apply it with our finger. It's going to be Rocker. This one right here. Use my third finger, my middle finger. I'm just going to apply it like on the lower of my eyelid. I'm going to go in with Activist, which is this shade right here. And then I kind of like point. It's like I leave some pigment on each side so it's kind of even, so I don't go in with this side too much or this side too much. We'll go in with Funny Girl, which is the lighter shade, and pop that on our clean finger. Like, I just cleaned it. So much better. I want to go in with this. It's from Skin Food, so it's a Korean brand. It's a mineral lash liner, sparkling waterproof line and shadow, and I like to use this as a shadow. So I like to use it like right here where the egg side is, which you're gonna hear me use it. You're gonna hear me using that word a lot, but like where the eye bags are, I kind of like to accentuate it. And then I'm going to curl my lashes again, and then I'm going to put on mascara and then curl my lashes again. For mascara, I'm using Lancome's, what is this called? Waterproof mascara. And I like this one because it doesn't really smudge as much. I really get really bad panda eyes whenever I wear mascara. Did you know it's really helpful to look at, like, bring your mirror down a little bit and look at it like this in the mirror, and then put on your mascara. Curl the lashes again after it dries. You can actually kind of see my eyelashes. So for eyeliner today, I'm going to be using the tattoo liner from Kat Von D. Okay, I was like, oh, left-hand oriented, and I realized it's upside down. So no, it's not left-hand oriented. Okay, and this one is also, is this a felt tip? It's a brush tip pen. So if I look like this, you can see it. Or if I look like this, you can barely see it. I think it's okay. For lips, I have another Korean brand from 3CE, Stylelanda, and this one is this one's their new lip tint, I believe. It's the Cloud Lip Tint. Oh yes, the Cloud Lip Tint, and this is in the shade Imminence. Okay, so this is the Morphe setting spray, continuous setting mist. Okay, I'm really bad at spraying this. Ready? Okay, fourth time is the charm. I sprayed it really heavily on my forehead. Like, why? There's nothing really on my forehead. But yes, I'm done. So this is the final look. And I put hoop earrings on. They're really pretty actually. I got these from Francesca's. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Francesca's, yeah. And this is the final look. For the eyeliner. Hey friends, so that was my get ready with me in 20 minutes for a night out look. And if you guys enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and hit that subscribe button. My friend is actually here, so I have to go. So bye!